Whoa, do you guys hear that? Holy shit! Whoa, that is wind that you're hearing right now from the hurricane. Wow. That is a very scary to hear when it's just windy like that. Right now it's 2:15, and right now they said that the worst of the storm is gonna come by and then pass in the morning. Whoa, it's picking up again. Wow, it's cold too. Whoa. Wow, I cannot believe it. It's mostly the wind that's killing us, not the rain. So far the power has been flickering back and forth, but still on, thank God. So this is just a short video of the hurricane, so you can hear the winds. Jesus Lord. So see you later, you guys, and Hurricane Irene